This is Swarnalata Patel. Let's learn together. In this program, we will discuss about class and object in Python. We'll discuss how to create a class. In this class, we'll create the variables, functions, and we'll create object from the class. So let's start. Let's create a class first. Let's create a class stocks and let's create one constructor. Def underscore underscore init. Let's have two variables along with the self, company name, from which company we are buying the stocks, and at the beginning let's have the balance h0. So we have zero stocks now. Now let's assign the variables. So self dot company name equal to company name. We can have any name in fact. However, as a best practice, let's keep it same. Similarly, self dot balance equal to balance. Let's create another function. Let's say I am buying the stocks. Okay, so for that we'll have stocks addition, and for this we'll have self and stocks to add. Now for this we'll have balance, that is a self dot balance plus equal to stocks. It means that balance equal to balance plus stock. Now let's print it. We'll print how many stocks we have added and what is the balance. So for this, number of stocks added is stocks and available balance. Available balance each self dot balance. Now let's say I want to sell some stocks. So for that, let's write the function def stocks deletion self stocks. Now for this self dot balance minus equal to stocks. So we are subtracting from the balance. Now instead of writing, let's copy it and we'll modify. Instead of added, let's put deleted. Let's have another function where we'll put display stock details. Here, let's put company name. Company name is self dot company name. It's there. And let's have the available balance also. Okay. Now let's create the object of this stocks class. So let's keep the name stocks equal to stocks, and we need to pass the company name. Let's say I am buying Amazon stocks. As the balance is already there, I need not give it again. Now let me call the functions of this display stock details, control S, and let me run fast. So it says that company name is Amazon and available balance is 0. Now let me call this addition, stocks dot stocks addition, and let me add 10 stocks. Let's say I bought 10 stocks, and let me display the detail. Now let me sell the stocks. So I'll call stocks deletion, and I am selling 3 stocks, and then display stocks detail. Let me save it and execute. Now you see the company name is Amazon and available balance is at first 0. We added the number of stocks 10 and available balance is 10, and then number of stocks deleted is 7 and available balance is 7. So let's understand a bit. So here stocks is the class. These are the four functions. Init is the constructor. These are the other three normal functions, and we are able to display this. And then we are creating the object. Here this is the object, and we are calling all these functions. Hope this is clear to you regarding the class and object. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Thank you.